Hey, good morning. It's 8 o'clock this morning. We got some cooks we're going to do today. On the pit barrel cooker, we're going to hang as many chicken leg quarters on that pit barrel cooker this morning. We're going to see how far we can stuff it. See how many I can fit on these hooks and let them cook like that. It's going to be kind of a smoke slash grill slash cook. We're gonna work with it and see what we can do. Y'all follow along. Hey, good morning, Sunday morning. It is a beautiful day out here today in Tennessee to do some smoking and some cooking. We got the pit barrel all fired up this morning. You can see that for all the smoke. She's all blazing. She's ready to be loaded up. This is the 18.5 inch. It's not the Big Daddy King. 18.5 inch. Y'all stick around. We'll get her going. All right, welcome back, folks. This is our chicken leg quarters here. We're going to season it up with this here. I already done one side with this Jamaican jerk, and we're going to get the hooks in them. I'll bring y'all along with that. Get the hooks in them, and we're going to hang them out in the pit barrel cooker. Y'all stick around. All right, guys, we are hooked and ready to go out to the pit barrel cooker. All right. Swing. So many of these we can get on here. Okay, 7 so far. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry, 5.
Let's go, Brandon!
Okay. Grab this tray here now that it's lightened up. Okay, let's count it up. We got, bring it over here closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. It could take one more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Got 14 chicken leg quarters hanging in here. All right. Well, stay tuned. are done. Try this again. Hot. Real good. That Jamaican jerk that's on there. Got a perfect spicy tang on it. Goes real good with smoke. We're gonna plate these up, slice them up, get them ready for lunches tomorrow. Y'all, thanks for sticking around. Thank you for watching. Knock it out of the park.